back car ride here on Leap the Dips. And we're told the back is a little bit rougher than the front. What do you think?
I'm nervous.
We are a little nervous. It's definitely a little bit of a rickety ride. I mean, it is over 100 years old. 100 and something. Built in 1902. Oh crap, here we go. I'm hanging on. He's hanging on. This ride has no restraints whatsoever. No lap bar, no seatbelt. All right, ready? And oh my God! Oh, we bounced. That was bouncy. Oh, geez. Okay. All right. Like, look, we have no restraints at all here. We're just hanging on. Oh crap! Here we go. Get ready for it. Oh my God! Oh. Okay, it's definitely bouncier in the back. How's it going over there?
All right.
Look, she's double hanging on right now. Oh crap! Oh my God! Oh geez, okay. It's funny how like the front seat is just right there, and how much different it is from oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh man! Oh, that was my back. It's my back is down in two different backs. Two backs. Oh crap! Here we go, guys. Ready? Whee! Oh man! So that was definitely as advertised, bouncier in the back. For sure. How are you doing?
That was fun.
Yeah, we went like bounce, 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 bounce. But it was still awesome and fun. So yeah, the back seat bouncy, front seat nice and smooth, but still a great ride either way. So